Nice dent. That's the before.
Get the information from your client.
There you go. There's the after. There we go. Hey, this is Doug, and he's going to tell you about his experience at DoorDents.com.
Well, Joel really did a good job for me. I picked up a pretty serious dent a few days ago in San Francisco. I wasn't sure if I'd be able to get it all the way out or not, but Joel came, took a look at it, and as you could see by yourself through the picture, he did a heck of a job. You can't even tell the dent was there. I'm very satisfied. I recommend DoorDents.com to everyone.
Great. Hey, thanks, Doug.
Thank you.